if your chest tightens every morning, here are 5 moves to feel steady again in the next 30 days. I'm Dr. Eric Eck. I work with men rebuilding after divorce, men who are strong, smart, capable, but tired of feeling like they've lost control of the wheel. Let's get that control back, one day at a time. Step 1. Notice the morning armor. When you wake up and your jaw's already clenched, that's your body saying, brace for impact. Divorce trains the nervous system to expect chaos, even when the room is quiet. So before you touch your phone, stand up, roll your shoulders back, and walk outside. 10 minutes, no headphones, just air and movement. Then breathe slow. 4 seconds in, hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Do it once every morning for a week. By day 7, you won't wake up defensive. You'll wake up deliberate. The body learns that the war is over. Step 2, reclaim the mirror. That moment when you look at your reflection and feel like you're seeing a stranger. That's not vanity. That's identity confusion. You've been someone's husband, provider, protector. Now you're just you, and it feels undefined. Don't rush past that feeling. Acknowledge it. This is me, mid-rebuild. Then do one visible win immediately. Make the bed, shave, clean the sink, knock out 10 push-ups. Physical order creates mental order. You don't need to wait to feel confident. You earn it through micro evidence. Step 3, redirect the empty seat. Driving alone hurts. The empty passenger seat stares at you like a loss. Let that sting land for one breath. It means you cared. It means your capacity for connection is still alive. Then shift the focus forward. Ask yourself, what would make today feel productive, even if no one sees it? It might be calling a friend, finishing a report, hitting the gym. Every mile you drive toward purpose shrinks the grip of nostalgia. Step 4, stack visible wins. Mid-afternoon, when the energy drops and your mind starts arguing with itself, that's the danger hour. Instead of asking, what's the point? Open your notes and write one sentence. Before noon, I already did blank. You'll see proof that the day is not a wash. Accomplishment is a compound effect. Stack enough small wins and self-respect returns without a speech. When you feel that rush of maybe I'm actually doing okay, don't brush it off. Lock it in. That's your system remembering competence. Step 5, end the day on proof, not noise. At night, it's easy to scroll until you're numb. The problem is your brain can't differentiate between dopamine and progress. So replace the scroll with a 30-second journal habit. Write one line. Today, I showed up by blank. That's it. Close the notebook. Go to bed. No analysis, no guilt. This tiny act recodes your identity as a man who keeps showing up, even tired, even alone. Putting it all together, these 5 moves aren't magic. They're maintenance. They teach your body to relax, your mind to focus, and your identity to trust itself again. You'll notice it in how you walk, how you speak to your kids, how you show up at work. You start to feel steady. And steady is better than excited, better than revenge, better than distraction. Because steady lasts. Remember, confidence isn't something you get back from someone else. It's something you rebuild brick by brick until you look in the mirror and see a man you respect again. So, tomorrow morning, before the world starts pulling at you, run move number 1, the walk, and the 4-4-6 breathing technique. Stack the other 4 across the day. 30 days from now, the same chest that felt tight will feel steady. If you want the next set of moves and habit trackers, they're waiting for you inside the post-divorce Jumpstart app. Links in the description, or just head to drquit.link/app. You're not broken. You're rebuilding. And this is how it starts.